Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Hey, I've got about 15 minutes before the wife and daughters get home. So we're gonna work on getting the old truck valve covers pulled and cool packs off and valve cover over here so we can get ready for the push rods that will be here tomorrow. All right guys, let's see if any of these are loose. Yeah, we don't have any loose on that side. So none on the driver's side were loose. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got two of them for sure. It kind of rocks sideways though, but this one, it's pretty loose. All right, we'll get those pulled and let's look at those rods real quick. All right, see if this push rod's bent. See if we can get you some shots here. Okay. All those are off. Let's pull these push rods. Not too shabby. Only got one that's bent in that mix. The rest of these are all good. All right guys, push rod, you can see one is junk, the rest are pretty good. So we're gonna throw the rest of them in a box to keep. I'm out of time today, so I'm gonna pull the rockers tomorrow on the driver's side and throw the new push rods in when they get there. Hopefully they'll be in by lunch and I'll do it at lunch. And then we drive the old truck back to work. So we'll see. All right, 2 seconds, bye. All right guys, got the new bag. Just sitting here making sure they are same length and everything. So we're gonna throw them in. All right, if you don't remember, 22 foot-pounds for the torque on the rocker arms there. Let it warm up before you fire it up. It's letting out than it used to be. You hear that? Sound clacky? Sounds like something rattling over there. Oh. No, like something metal rattle. I don't hear the lifter rattle. Well, we can't seem to get rid of the clatter, so we're gonna pull push rods now. Holy smokes! Look at that thing. Woo! That was on the driver's side. Just thought I'd update you guys. We had a little bit of fun. I think it probably got to like 6 or 8 PSI. Were you even looking at the boost gauge? No, it was fun though. And I hope you could hear it a little bit. I was wanting a little more drive time, but that didn't happen because it got all clattery. So it's not raining tomorrow. I'm gonna ease it to work and back and see if they get rattly, if we're out of boost, and see what happens there. So number 7 cylinder, number 1 cylinder. Don't know what's going on. We've got everything pulled off now. Got rockers off. I am ordering new retainers tomorrow with new locks, and we'll see if maybe that will fix it. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything that's coming. See ya.